Hey there, physics enthusiasts. Ever wondered how many digits you should keep when measuring or calculating in physics? Today, let's dive into the world of significant figures and rounding off. First off, what are significant figures? Simply put, they are the meaningful digits in a number, starting from the first non-zero digit on the left, all the way to the last digit on the right. For example, in 0.00456, the significant figures are 4, 5, and 6. Now, why do we care about them? Significant figures help us understand the precision of our measurements. They tell us how accurate our instruments are and ensure our calculations are reliable. Next up, rounding off. Imagine you're calculating something and you get a long decimal. Rounding off helps us simplify the number while keeping it as accurate as possible. Here's the trick. Look at the digit right after your desired decimal place. If it's 5 or more, round up. If it's less than 5, round down. For instance, if you want to round 3.4567 to 3 significant figures, you look at the fourth digit, 6. Since it's more than 5, you round up to get 3.46. But hey, there's more. When multiplying or dividing, your answer should have the same number of significant figures as the number with the least significant figures in the calculation. For example, if you're multiplying 2.5, 2 significant figures, by 3.142, 4 significant figures, your answer should have just 2 significant figures. Got it? Excellent. Significant figures and rounding off aren't just about numbers, they're about precision and accuracy. Master these, and you'll ace those physics problems in no time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more physics tips. Catch you later.